Hello and welcome back to another session of serde-yaml. It's Byron speaking, and I took a little break from this terrible task here, which annoys the hell out of me because I realized, damn it, there's no way around me having a full, basically analyzed pass that checks every character, even though, we still can prevent a lot of work from actually happening. It's yeah. So in the last session, we realized that, damn it, even though we are trying to elevate, or we try to abort early, if you realize that we have elevated the plain format that we have. The plain type thing that we have or the plain style that we have to a single quote style. Actually, we are not able to abort anymore because we have to find this one special case where there's a single quote which forces us to either do special escape handling for this thing, Wait a moment, why am I not doing special escape handling for this thing? Wait. So there are two things, right? I can abort early, but in the worst case, I have to keep working in order to find trailing white space. So this is what I have to do. And since the stuff is encoded, we have to iterate all characters. I can't just jump to the last one. Unless I would know more about the encoding than I currently do. So the YAML implementation, the lib-YAML one, does that stuff, the magic, but I don't. I don't even want to try. So let's not mess it up. Not more than it is messed up already. So what am I saying? I think what I want to do is check for this thing. Yeah, why am I not doing this? Yeah, so the double quote stuff, yeah, I think that's all I want. In the moment we meet a single quote, we will make it into... Oh, this is why. Yeah, in double quote mode, we don't need to have any escape. And currently, we kind of determine the escape by the amount of characters that we have seen so far. And I would need to force an escape here. This is what... You know what? I could actually do that. I could just force an escape here. And so we just return the same character and do not care. Oh no, wait, actually, I was totally wrong. Yeah. So we will write the escape. Yeah, it's just less efficient. I'm dumb. I mean, I've said it many times before, but I say it again. I am dumb, and this is all we need to do here. So this will cause us to escape this thing properly, and we are done. So this means no special handling of this thing. In the pre-pass, at least. There we are only interested in special values and white space. So no, please no, don't do that. Okay, so in the previous session, I was also kind of redesigning this to make sense for white space. So if we have, yeah, actually I'm only interested in the last white space char, but let's try to follow up here. Let's try to make this happen. So if this is max value, then we basically have found no white space yet. What does it mean for us? So this is usually null, huh? It's either null or, yeah, start with white space or nothing. Yeah, I think this is still have, and we don't, damn it. Actually, we only care about this. If it's 0. Oh, we do this here already. So what's this supposed to do? This is then supposed to check for the last white space char. Yeah, I think this is what we want. Last white space char. So all we do is, we could actually make this an optional, but on the other hand, that doesn't matter. So if this is white space, then last white space char shall be I. And that is it. And this stuff we don't need. And now we have basically checked all the stuff. If last, well, this wasn't too hard. Yeah, I'm just not getting stuff anymore these days. So if last white space char is the end of our thing, of our string, to be precise, then we shall. Oh, how are we doing it? Right now we are always setting it, right? Because it could be also double. No, actually, it's not double quote anymore. We can optimize this again. So, yeah, we have to keep this up. And here we basically break and set the style to single quote, at least. And we can elevate the style later if we find one of these quotes as well. So as we have done this, we can also optimize it and say, well, we just set it to single quote and then unset it later. So style shall be none here. We have found no reason to elevate the style from plain mode. That's good. So worst case, we will have to check the last white space character, but that's it. Okay. Sometimes it's good to take a break, then you kind of see clearer. Apparently so. Well, nothing new there. Okay, so we set it to none. So here all we have to do is to break out of the... Oh. Yeah, what happens if we break out here? So here we break, and then we just fall through. Oh, damn it. So do I have named loops here? I think I do. Labels. Outer. So is written as lifetime. Oh, look, it's a lifetime. Written as lifetime preceding the loop expression. If a label is present, then the break and continue expressions nested within this loop may exit out of the loop, return control to its head, which means break foo. So here I want to break outer. Thank you very much. And here I also want to break outer. And the style I don't need to set anymore. And here, that's the inner loop. Char loop. And here I don't need to specify what I want because that's automatically the outer one. And here it's the same. Awesome. What looks better? This or that? I would go with that. Maybe this. Yeah, let's try that. So that should do something useful. And we'll definitely set the style accordingly. Yep. Let's see. No, okay, that's just a syntax error. 7 what? 92? Yes. Beautiful weather outside. Kind of feel guilty of not being there. Oh, where's that? Alright, is white space. We might want to put or make this a function call, method call. Cool. That actually seemed to do something. Let's see if it gets caught in the loop for some reason, or oh, there we go. The trade iterator is not implemented for this thing. So apparently I put something here that I shouldn't have put there. What happened? 33. Why is there 33? Where is that? Where is that happening? Oh, that's 33 items. So iterate is not implemented for the type. Okay, this is my type. But why does this all of a sudden not work anymore? This worked before, just fine. Totally fine. Ah, now I get it. Because we crossed the magic number 32. This is not auto-implemented. So yeah, we have to call iter on it now. Damn. Magic number. That's a bit annoying because generics can't have types, constants in them. You can't auto-implement certain things. So, left is A. Oh, look, we have kind of... Okay. Oh, so this didn't work. Maybe want to go with max value if we mark it, or we go with an optional. Yeah. Does it make a difference? Or is it just us? Last white space char is this. So that kind of makes sense, does it? So if we start with white space. Or with a reserved character. And otherwise, we do this only, right? That's the only thing we are interested in. So the style apparently remains at this one. Flow single quote. So source length greater than 2, if it's 0. Yeah, I don't see why this is not working, except for that might actually hit us here. Oh, now we get further. Cool. So that was it apparently. Do we get further? Where's the JSON? Come on, here. A0. A0? quite far. Not bad. And why is that wrong for us? Oh no, wait, we didn't actually escape it. That's a problem. So that's the, yeah, that's A0. So we didn't do it. In JSON mode, that is. Cool, we're getting somewhere. Yay, awesome. Even though more complex tests will be required and probably the entire analysis step will be a lot more complex very, very soon. Especially when the folding happens, damn it. Right now we have no way to do folding. And I don't know how to do that. Folding would have to be implemented kind of in here. So we need to start to keep some sort of cursor position. I won't even think about that. No, we also want to do it kind of efficiently. So yeah, maybe the implementation here will help. Probably it will help. It already helped. Even though lots of the stuff here is something we don't even dare doing right now. In a way, we are simpler. So, what's up with you? YAML does have a 0. And here, this is, oh yeah, this is the JSON thing where we actually just want to encode stuff that is not printable. So you could just hard code this, right, in JSON. But I think the problem of JSON is that we need to kind of find ranges for printable characters. I have seen this somewhere. I might have seen it here. Maybe this is what I've seen. Is printable. Printable. Yeah, so that is that. But that's based on bytes. But it tries to be smart. So if I wanted to use this code, yeah. Can I just check, is alphabetic? If it's not alphabetic, can I do this? Maybe I can. Let's try that. Even though I'm not sure about this, what does JSON say? I thought JSON, or I thought it was kind of shown here that JSON can do a whole lot of stuff. It doesn't really care about much. So I'm not sure. Where is it? Line folding. Here, to ensure JSON compatibility, processes must allow all non-control characters inside quoted scalars. To ensure readability, non-printable characters should be escaped on output, even inside such scalars. Okay. So 9 we handle specifically. 9 was what? 9 was tab. Interesting. Actually, there's more. And probably all of these have to be escaped except for 9. So tab is allowed. Interesting. Tab is actually allowed. Is this true? I thought I tried that, but maybe I didn't. So here we put in a tab. Yeah, so it will escape it for some reason. I don't mind that at all. So should I go with none or with alphabetic? And that's the special cases. And then, well, let's try it. X if X, let's call it C, is alphabetic. And then we do our beautiful encoding code. That's the the JSON one is down here. That's this one that I started, that I still have in my tab. Let's put it. And that's the code. That's the awesome code that we want here. Oh, here it is. Voila, so that's it. We have a format string that we convert our x, or that we put our c into. Then we write it into our buffer that has been cleared before. Has it been cleared before? I don't think so. Now it has been cleared. Whew, that was close. And then we return it as ref, and we will break in that moment. Then we will write the escaped, whatever it is, down, out. This is what we will do. Awesome. So that could possibly work now. We are just in JSON mode here. So, something else happens now. That's good. Haha. Ooh. 240. So JSON now escapes. Damn it. Damn it. So yeah, I guess we don't want to do anything for the printable characters that are in the ASCII range. So it's not alphabetic. What else could it be then? What else can you do? CHR. Ah, damn it. Char. Primitive. Maybe there's something that I can query this thing for. Is alphabetic. Lowercase is lowercase, uppercase is white space, is control. Unicode general category. So maybe I should just check for is control. I have no idea, but maybe it is like that. The problem is that this might not even work, because we kind of restrict the size of that thing, and this is something we have to take care for as well. So no, that doesn't work anymore. Yeah. So now we don't even get there, because now we will also handle this one incorrectly. Did I not see the ranges somewhere? Like smaller? Okay, here is kind of some range going on. 20. I think that's the ASCII range. At least. So 20 to 7e is something we could obviously do. And this might... Yeah, now it gets into higher and higher ranges, apparently. Because it deals with offsets here that we can't do as we are in Unicode mode. Damn it, you. Also, I don't understand these codes. Maybe it is related to the bomb. Maybe it's this, it's that. BB, for instance. Do we have BB? Yeah, so that kind of could be some bomb stuff, but could also be some sort of encoding that I don't see here anymore. So that's a problem. Let's have a look at the encoder where there's the surrogate pair. So this is that, right? So if it's smaller than this, and Yeah. So if the character is smaller than, could you make it use this as character u, actually like this, huh? U1000. And we can do it like that. Otherwise, oh no, word wrap. Otherwise, we'll have to do the surrogate pair. What's n? N is a number. So do I want to work with that right away? I think I can't even change it right now. So whenever I use n, I could just subtract 1000 here, or subtract the base. So does that work generally? I know this has nothing to do with the problem at hand here, with me being unable to properly isolate alphabetic characters and stuff. But yeah, I could just, I mean, maybe I'm supposed to hard code it, but on the other hand, I'm not sure about this. Also, I have no idea. I mean, damn it. Jason says it doesn't care, and YAML says it's suggested to do these things. And maybe I just shouldn't care in JSON mode. Question is what I should do in YAML mode, huh? Then I should escape these ones, but damn it, I don't know how to do it. So yeah, nothing won here at all. I just removed this. Let's put the special cases in to JSON, so that at least the white space stuff is handled correctly, right? So that is going to be a U008 A0. That's going to be a U222028. Sorry, 0085. U282 20 to 8, U20 to 9. Okay, so now JSON will at least spit out the right things here in my special case. But this is something I should worry about. To do, we currently don't handle use surrogate. So that would be that code. And just put it in here, and then maybe put into my comment the entire code here. Currently don't handle non-printable characters, as I have no idea how to properly figure them out. Lib-YAML code is based on, yeah. How does it work here? There's also something I didn't understand yet. Based on bytes and encodings. PyYAML on regex. Yeah, so this is something that at some point might hopefully work for me. And yeah. Bang, bang, bang. Let's just put this here. And I think what I can do is do it like that. Good. Somehow. I think this is plain by default. which is exactly what it should do. And yeah, I think that's better than having it in some buffer somewhere. Good. So now how far do we get? It builds. JSON auto escape. For a moment I thought, oh, panicked at index 1 or 2 in do not lie on character boundary. This is string. Oh, wait. So where does it happen? I mean, which item? Can I see this? If I print this for instance, one JSON. Hopefully I see something here. What's the test worth if that doesn't work? Okay. So that is the one that still works. A0. So, well, I don't know. I don't know where it happens. That's the problem. So previously it failed because the output wasn't as it was expected. Now what? So is it the YAML escaping or the JSON escaping? Could be the YAML escaping. Could be both. One JSON. Is it maybe? What? No, if it would be something inside of the string, the compiler would warn me that this is not valid Unicode or cannot be represented or something. What am I trying to do? I'm not trying to do anything with it, huh? Either I give it that one and the compiler should warn me if something is not nice. Probably it's related to the analysis, maybe. U00, so that seems to be fine syntactically. So maybe it's the analysis here. Yeah. All right. At index 1 or 2 in empty string, do not lie on character boundary. Or do we have a string with just a single thing in there? So do we do some weird array access that we shouldn't do? Well, we should always be able to iterate that, huh? So I don't think this is a problem. Maybe one of these calls fails on me? I don't do anything special except for here maybe, but even that is just on byte level, so what? Yeah, I don't see it. Damn it. Is it that? Is it the whitespace call? Hard to tell because now we don't... Oh, wait. Now we fail on one of the... Oh, here's an empty... Here's just a space, huh? Maybe it's that? No, previously I managed to get to get to here. There's something that is established, right? We get past this point. Yeah, so maybe let's just take out the test then. Let's see which test it is. So I could assume that it is this one. '85 we handle, here we handle it. And here we handle it as well. Maybe it happens here somehow. I don't trust the printing. The printing doesn't flush. So if you're unlucky... Oh look, 85, see? So maybe one of these... Or one of the... Yeah, let's just hide all of them. So this and 85 seem to have worked. Probably the others work as well. Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you? So is it 85 now or what? Must be then, huh? Or is it the printing that it doesn't like? No, then I would see where it happens, I guess. Do I? So it must be this one, huh? A0. Yeah. But didn't I try that? I thought I tried that. Maybe others don't work either. Alright. Okay. So let's try 85 then. No likey. Let's try the white space stuff, shall we? Because that's the only one that uses, or the other ones kind of use non-printable special characters. And maybe during analysis that's kicking him. Even though I don't know. Oh look. So these actually work. That's a cool thing. This means we handle our white space somewhat correctly. That's very awesome. This also means that... So wait, a new line. Yeah, there's escaping going on. So if you put, just for the fun of it, one of these in there, then we would also expect full escaping here. That just as a side note. And of course I would have to add some more tests with these characters. But yeah, so far this actually works, even though these special characters are problematic. Should be possible to figure it out though. Okay, so if he starts with one of these special characters, let's just try a few, shall we? Then we need plain escaping at least. La la la. There's no question asked here anyway. And here we will need plain strings. De. So if that works, I will be satisfied, and I think this will work. Oh. Seems that I messed up my string somewhere. Here. Totally. So does this work now? This still looks a bit funny, but that might be the syntax highlight. Oh no. Okay. All right. It's not the syntax highlighter. Which is, by the way, very, very good. Kind of just works. Oh. So on the left side, yeah, on the right side, yeah, let's have a normal string here. Right, so that should be fine. And here, for the sake of it, maybe this automatically works if I have 2 of these. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so that should now work. Come on, show me. Cool. And now one of these. Maybe this one works, huh? One of these. And I do wonder what in there fails. Maybe I just use one of the tests here. So is it the JSON code that fails? Can I even say that? No, both failed. I tried that already, huh? I totally tried that. Okay, then I think we should just hide everything except for this one example. And this one I think should be fine as well. Damn it. Let's start it off on a new line just to be able to hide it more easily. I am hoping that I can just undo this. Yeah, okay, good. I can. So, show me. That should just fail. And I want to know what happens there. Is it the analysis? 1 and or 3. This is all on byte level. This shouldn't be it. It shouldn't care about that. That's what I'm saying. So let's try that. Maybe it is enumerate, which generally fails, but even that I don't think. I think it's the analysis, because that is new. Okay. Okay, let's be a bit, let's give it a broad side here. So here we don't do any analysis at all. And I don't like that we don't have a commit yet, so all these changes here have to be careful. I rely on undo now, but that should also be fine. Okay, so that is still not working. Damn it. So it's not this. Huh? What is it then? Is it this one? This is cape loop. Start starts at 0, so yes, this should be fine. Here we also work with, oh, so here whenever we write a string, I think it could be the right string thing, because that will definitely interpret, this will interpret bytes. Show me. I think that could be it. I took it for granted, but actually it's totally not. But no, wait. We are working on Unicode characters. Ah, damn it. Big bug, big bug. We are working the right string stuff. The counting doesn't work anymore. Yeah, I think there is a character iterator that gives us the offsets as well. And this is what we want to use. Oh, man. Totally. Yeah. Right, string. So that probably takes a slice of... Wait a moment. How does that even work? I mean, at the moment we write escaped, it's clear that this works. But anything else? How does this work? Write a slice of bytes into this writer, returning whether the write succeeded. This method can only succeed if the entire byte slice was successfully written. This method will not return until all data has been written or an error occurs. Yeah, so that... Yeah, I don't understand how I even get an str out of there. Anyway, let's have a look at the chars, at the string primitive, and then the chars iterator, because there should be something that allows me to count the chars. Char indices would of course be something. Slice unchecked. Huh. Yeah, so that's the char boundary stuff, right? That I don't manage correctly right now. Yeah. It was supposed to be simple, but then I messed it up. So yeah, long story short, I think in the moment we don't write this string anymore, we are good. Even though I still don't understand how that can possibly become a string again. Because we just take any kind of slice which even counts incorrectly. So do we have an index that returns a... Maybe we have an index thing that returns a string slice. Unicode string. Graphemes. Oh, gee. All unstable. Fun. Again, how do we get... Oh, where is the index implementation here? Okay, it outputs a string. Interesting. And this is why it panics, because it can't return... It can't fail here. Ah, and as ref... Now I get it. As ref returns U8. But this thing returns a string. But wait, if it returns a string, then the indices I use here should be character indices, huh? Which is kind of weird. Which is totally weird. Probably it's not character indices. This is why that otherwise it would work after all. Okay, so is there a way to get chars with indices? usize char. Ah, that's what I want. Char indices. So that's I then. Voila. I think that's it, huh? Ah, that's the starting position. Oh, shit. And thereby it offsets. So wait, maybe that works. If we want to replace this char, then we want to... Yeah, actually that's okay. So if you would want to replace B, then we would use this offset here. So in theory that actually works. Yeah, let's try it. And start will be offset by 1. Does that make sense? I'm not sure. I'm totally not sure if that makes sense. The +1 here. Probably it does, because we just want to make sure that it's kind of offset so the next one will not trigger or something. Maybe I just have to update it, right? Yeah, we'll just see. Yeah, I think that should be fine. But if it's not, I will probably eventually find out. What? Oh, does it mean on stable? This is not there. Don't be kidding me. Char. Oh no, it's called char indices. Yeah, probably I should look at the stable one anyway. Huh? I'm unstable here. So. Char indices, awesome, there we go. And now maybe this works. Damn it, you! Hatred. Okay, this does not work, even though I would actually think this works. So is it something, is it this thing here? Come on, show me. So it probably fails right away at when it does the JSON one. So let's focus on JSON right now. It's kind of our only place where we have duplicated stuff. If we do not write this. Actually, yeah, let's not write YAML at all, because now this could fail at YAML and we wouldn't know. You got to be kidding me. It can't be this one, no. Maybe there's some additional handling. Okay, maybe the Rust backtrace will tell me at least where it happens exactly. In main, awesome. What the heck? Why don't I even see anything there? Why it's just main? Oh no, that's not the right one even. It's just main that says me, that tells me, here, that's the one. No, we're getting somewhere. No, not that one. Not that one. This one, awesome. Slice, string ops, escape string and full. Okay, at least it's here. Index. Range, use size. Oh, you know what? So wait. I'm not sure about this thing here. But I do feel better about the indices. Because if we replace something, then we keep going, we write everything so far, hoping that this indeed will provide us, or will be, a byte-based system. Previously we counted it as character, based system, but I don't trust that at all. And we can't even look it up, the implementation, I mean, because it's built in and stuff. Damn it. No way. Okay, so if it's not that, it's some slicing operation. Can it be that it happens here, maybe? That's now the same in both cases. This is something we determined to be not responsible for that. And also it's byte-based stuff. Oh. That is that. Awesome. So yeah, this explains. This must be byte-based handling then. And the panic, does it happen because I unwrapped this? Finally, I have the place where it happens. Unused results must be used. Yeah, that is that. Cool. And it still happens. Okay. So that's not it. Yeah, I think the problem is that the +1 here screws with us now. Yeah, the +1 just doesn't work. Because it must be the length of the actual character. So we can probably figure that one out. How long is that character as UTF-8? See? Okay, so let's do this. Let's figure it out then. I think that's something that the char primitive should know. I might have seen it somewhere as well. Char. Where's the primitive? It's not here anymore. Oh, it's nightly where this is working like that. Oh, so you want to use nightly after all. Great improvement. So useful. Yeah, so there was a time when people could not see what methods are on the primitive types. All right, lang UTF-8. This is what I want. Bang. Plus CHR lang UTF-8. Is this stable? Oh, please be stable. It is. Okay. Bang. So I think we were lucky so far here, because now this has a chance to work, and previously it didn't have a chance to work. Awesome. So now let's get this stuff back, and we are not done, but we are one big step further ahead. Well, not ahead, but we made one big step forward, one leap forward, one could say even. Come on. All work. They all work. Jesus Christ. Finally. 1 hour in already. Amazing. And I'm finally ready for a commit here. And yeah, looks good. Lots of stuff to do. We have some special case handling. We might want to mark it as such. Just one of many special characters. And that should be that. Let's finalize this by looking at this original implementation and see if this kind of makes sense. I mean, to me, it does make sense. And I'm just looking at these special characters, but I think we have them all. Also, this document check is kind of important. We do it with both versions as well. And that is that. Nice. Oh yeah, and of course we don't want to print this, and we want to take this back. We don't even know if it works. Damn it. Don't need that. Show me. With a little bit of luck, this works. Awesome. Gee, not too much code. Look at that. Still, it took so long to get it to work, and oh man. But anyway, just my stupidity, I'd say. Now we have something that seems to be a bit completer, or a bit more complete than what's already there, at least. Okay. Feed sir. JSON YAML string escaping. It now works to the point where we are relatively confident to handle the basic cases, except for handling non-printable Unicode characters. The latter need to be encoded, but currently are simply not. We need a good way to classify these. And this is just something that one can look into, I guess. There might be a Unicode library that can do it. Let's have a look. Unicode. Wow. Unicode XID. Segmentation names. Character encoding support for Rust. Plenty of downloads. Okay. So even encoder handling what to do if stuff doesn't work. So does it have classification of some kind? Doesn't look like it. Grapheme cluster and word boundaries. Okay. Maybe this one has something. Unicode words. So if it knows that, then it should probably know if it's, well, printable, no. For word boundaries and byte offsets, grapheme clusters. What's a grapheme cluster? Combining character sequences. Whatever. I should probably know that if I'm dealing with Unicode. But right now, I do not. Unicode with a very specialized package. And it can only do this one thing. Wow. Map characters to and from their name given in the Unicode standard. This goes to great length to be as efficient as possible in both time and space with the full bidirectional table mappings. So maybe this can classify a character and tell me if it's printable. Maybe I should just use Google Unicode non-printable characters. There we go. What is the range of Unicode printable characters? You might want to look especially at C0 and C0.1 control characters. So this is what I tried. If it's a control character, then it's not printable. C1A is in this range. Hundreds of formatting control characters. For example, zero width joiner, which makes character spacing closer, or bidirectional text control. These formatting control characters are rather scattered. More importantly, what are you doing that requires you to know Unicode non-printable characters? More likely than not, whatever you're trying to do is the wrong approach to solve your problem. You want to include all the Chinese characters? Well, why not? So control character is probably what I want to use. So if it's a control character, then we wanna do this, right? Okay. So first of all, I think I wanna handle it like that, and maybe. Okay, what happens, for instance, if I have? I know it's time to call this a session, but I definitely want to know what happens if I use some special Unicode characters. I hope I can do this here. So whatever happens, it detects it as non-printable. And the JSON version even uses a surrogate pair. That's awesome. So that's exactly what I want to test for. So basically, all I need is to test the surrogate pair stuff. Non-printables and whatever. So let's put this right here. Oops. Come on. Bring it up. Do I have two now? Well, who cares? Usually you can drag and drop these, but not today. What the heck is going on? Maybe it doesn't work because this one is still there. Maybe I can just copy it and paste it. Yes, that works. Awesome. So what we want in JSON mode is this beauty of a surrogate pair. Yeah. I just want to add this real quick. It will fail, but that's okay. We might add this in the next session. I would want to make another session, do another session. And that's the same thing, but not a surrogate pair. Look at that. And we only need a single backslash here. Here we need that, and a single backslash. So that is not expected to work in our test case just yet. So the good thing is it's not crashing. So this is what we have. Oh yeah, so it prints it directly, basically. There's no change. And on the right side, yeah, this is what we want, and this is what we get. So it doesn't encode these at all. Okay, good to know. So here's our surrogate pair test. A surrogate pair, and then we might find one that is non-printable but doesn't or isn't in such a high range. So yeah, that's something for the next session. Thanks for watching and have a great day.